Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. What we have here is a Toyota. It's like a CHX. Hold on. It is a CHR. Toyota CHR. And it's a little, it's crossover. It's a crossover. So I'm going to get in here. Look at that. Alright, so that moves out. So it has an auto high beam function in here. It's really cool. It's got a display up here. So there's an auto high beam function, and I was told you can't miss it. There it is. Here is the auto high beam right there. Get that in camera. Auto high beam. So if you press that in, you have it pressed in, then your car will automatically put the high beam on. And right now it's telling me that the door is ajar, the driver's side door. This particular model has 49,190 miles, and it is really cool in here. It's really nice, really nice. Wow. So that's how you use the auto high beam function, and I'm sure it'll pop up here somewhere whenever your car's on. So that's how you do that. All right. This is Toyota. A bunch of letters. Oh, let me lock this up. Lock it up. Lock it up. My car right there. There we go. And that went in. Let me try to hit this button right here. And then that goes in. Wow, that's cool. Yep, the Honda, and then up here they have the open door right there. That's a Honda CHR or whatever it's called. There's the little seeds. All right.